Spring cleaning checklist for your roof. Now that the chill of winter is gone and the sun stays out a little later, it's time to clear out the clutter and get ready for some warmer weather. As you go about your spring cleaning, make sure your roof is also ready to endure the hot summer months. We've prepared this spring cleaning checklist to help you keep your roof in tip-top shape. Clear off all debris from your roof. Start your spring cleaning routine by clearing any debris from your roof. Leaving debris on the roof often leads to mold and mildew growth, which can cause problems in the long run. If you're planning to do this task yourself, be sure to use safety gear. Trim damaged tree branches. With spring and summer storms coming, damaged tree branches can easily fall on your roof. This can cause severe damage to your property. Trim damaged tree branches or hire a tree trimming service to do this for you. Check out and clean the gutters. Clogged gutters can lead to a number of different issues like mold, mildew, and even foundation and structural damage. So be sure to check out and clean the gutters, especially this season. Check your roof for any signs of mold and mildew. Common signs of mold and mildew infestation include musty odor, leaking roof, and dark staining on surfaces. If you see these signs, call a professional right away. If you find any roofing problems during your spring cleaning, call Affordable Roofing Systems for a free professional roof inspection. Call 813-542-8462 to have a licensed roofer check it out for free. Affordable Roofing Systems, where experience and quality matter.